The Ingenuity 2-in-1 Rocker Bouncer is a versatile seat that transitions from a soothing rocker to a practical toddler seat, providing long-term use from newborn to toddler years. Designed with a cozy lamb bolster, it offers extra support and comfort for newborns and can be repurposed as a tummy time mat when needed. The seat features a removable toy bar with 2 plush toys, encouraging babies to practice reaching and grasping, making it both entertaining and developmental. With soothing vibrations, 12 tranquil melodies, and 4 nature sounds, the rocker is equipped to calm and comfort the baby, featuring a convenient auto shut-off after 25 minutes. Its lightweight and foldable design, along with a 5-point harness, ensures safety and portability, allowing parents to easily store or take it on the go. The seat pad and bolster are machine washable, making it simple to keep clean and maintain, while the neutral design seamlessly fits into any home decor.